Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BSquared network token. Ticker symbol is B2. Now this token just got a very big central exchange listing. We're going to talk about this token and go over how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So B2 is the ticker symbol. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here at BSquared Network on X. So you guys can easily find this project. And this token just got listed today, April 30th, 12 o'clock UTC time. This token got listed on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search B2, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So by the time I upload this video, it should be right around 12 o'clock UTC time, and it'll be available when this video gets uploaded. Now, BSquared Network is a modular Bitcoin scaling solution. It introduces a B2 rollup, the first Bitcoin rollup based on zero knowledge proof verification commitment. The BSquared Hub, the first Bitcoin data availability layer, achieves finality on the Bitcoin network. And Mining Squared, the first Bitcoin mining pool offering auto-subscribable BTC yield products. Now, there is a total supply of 210 million BSquared tokens. This token here is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. You can find it on BSC scan. They have, like I said, the Twitter in the corner of the screen there. They have a full white paper on their webpage. They have a document section you can find there as well. And it says their mission. The mission of BSquared Network is to build the premier Bitcoin Layer 2 network and revive builder culture. So they have a 9-page technical white paper. It has tons of info on there, the technical aspects. It goes over the whole background of Bitcoin. It says why Bitcoin needs Layer 2 for Bitcoin. Current limitations mainly relate to technology and asset liquidity. So the technical aspects, there's performance issues of Bitcoin. Bitcoin lacks a Turing completeness and transaction fee concerns. So they go over all that in their full white paper. So BSquared Network is the most practical Bitcoin Layer 2 network. A ZK proof verification commitment rollup on Bitcoin. Ethereum virtual machine EVM compatible. Supporting Bitcoin address account and Ethereum address account. It's fast and cheap and safe and trusty. BSquared Network, it's a Layer 2 solution that bolsters transaction speed and broadens application diversity without sacrificing security. BSquared Network is the first zero-knowledge proof verification commitment rollup on Bitcoin. Leveraging rollup technology, BSquared Network provides a platform capable of running Turing-complete smart contracts for off-chain transactions, which enhances transaction efficiency and minimizes costs. Additionally, zero-knowledge proof technology is employed in tandem with gate commitment and challenge response of Taproot to guarantee transactional privacy and security during confirmation on Bitcoin. The network's objective is to metamorphosize Bitcoin into a versatile platform, paving the way for groundbreaking applications such as decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, and other decentralized systems. Overall, BSquared network epitomizes a harmonized progression, upholding Bitcoin's core values while navigating the future digital asset landscape. So the core values of Bitcoin's evolution beyond payments. Bitcoin's significance isn't limited to just being a payment network. Its foundational principles make it ripe for more profound evolution and integration into a broader spectrum of financial services and applications. Also nurturing BTC-related assets. So BTC and its related assets require a fertile ground, an ecosystem where they don't just exist, but they thrive. This includes realms like decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, social finance, and more. These avenues represent the phase of Bitcoin's integration into global financial systems. And it's also EVM compatible with ecosystem alignment. So EVM has carved a dominant space in the crypto ecosystem, with over 90% of crypto users interacting with EVM compatible chains. It's logical and essential that any solution designed for Bitcoin's growth aligns with this user base. By embracing EVM compatibility, BSquared network aims to resonate with the operational habits of the majority, ensuring familiarity while introducing innovation. Their vision, BSquared, envisions a future where Bitcoin's utility and influence aren't just maintained but exponentially expanded. The network seeks to establish a realm where Bitcoin isn't just a digital asset or a store of value, but a dynamic platform. It aims for a world where Bitcoin interacts seamlessly with various financial services, tools, and platforms, making it more embedded in everyday transactions and applications. So you can find all the info at docs.bsquared.network. You can find their webpage at this token, by the way, has a decent amount of holders so far, 8,586 holders. 18 decimal places, and according to their BSC scan, right now the max total supply, 46,900,245 BSquared tokens. And like I said, their webpage is bsquared.network, and that's where you're going to find all the links, even contact information. And you can find this token, as of today, listed on MEXC Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.